Okay guys, so I am about to show you guys how we build boxes. So the resellers kits, if you don't know what that is a kit full of wholesale products. We're talking about cables, we're talking about chargers, we're talking about a bunch of accessories. Now we have a 50-piece kit that we're putting together. And I just want to highlight with you guys the different type of products that we put on, but I also want to let you know we have a bunch of options. Next is going to be the audio section. Now, I tell you guys all the time that I love the audio. I love Type-C headphones. I also like the Lightning headphones. Now, we have all colors in stock for the Maxes. This is my favorite color, but I also use this one. I have my own blue one. When it comes to the kits, we're talking about charging, of course. So these are our bundle packs, okay? We have a bunch of different bundles that we can pick from the shelves. You also have the option for these. So again, they're picking back up. The battery cases haven't been as impactful since the MagSafe. Bluetooth, other headphones as well. So this is exactly what we'll be putting in the box too. So today we have an unboxing. We're getting right into the video. My name is Brandon Jones and I help all resellers source products, especially electronics. Now we have reseller kits and we have an order that we're going to package today. And I want to actually show you guys me packaging the box. Now this is a 50-piece wholesale box order. And as you guys seen in the warehouse, we have a bunch of different variances and options. Now, if you're somebody out there that is reselling on Amazon, eBay, Facebook, OfferUp, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, all of those places, you could literally be starting your business and your brand without even knowing it. You're thinking it's just a side hustle. Turn that side hustle into a brand. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how. It's not selling fake products or selling products that are imitating another one, selling a fake product, or even just selling the fake clothing, the fake AirPods. And what I mean by fake, let me really separate the two, okay? So first you have clones and then you have replicas. And I've seen comments of people saying, well, replicas are clones and clones are replicas. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. And if you think about it, guys, it's like this, right? When you're first looking at building and creating your brand, you can't create your brand off of an Apple logo product. Not because the Apple logo product doesn't have the quality, but because you're going to face a bunch of copyright infringement and also banning and restriction on multiple platforms. Now, I want to make this clear. This is different than in person, because in person you can sell Apple, you can sell JBL, you can sell whatever type of company you would like. But online, it gets stricter depending on the platform. Now, you have platforms like Amazon where you have to actually get the permission, but all of the products in the box that you get in this box cost around $300. We also have a 30-piece box that only costs $250, and you're only paying $50 more for 20 more products, okay? But let's talk about each product we're putting in. First, we're doing the low ticket product, which is going to be, these are Type-C to Lightning cables. Now, Type-C to Lightning cables are extremely popular ever since the new phones released, and they're literally going to be a staple on your store, as you can sell these for $2.50, $3.50, or bundle them. We like selling these because yes, they're impulse buys, but they're also easy products for you to be able to get ratings with. All right, so we'll put that in there. And honestly, sometimes we have trouble packing the boxes because we try to put as much value in each one. Now, we have another cable, USB-C to USB-C. This is for the newer iPhone models, but I want to show you guys the packaging. The packaging has that green arrow, but remember, and always analyze when you're buying wholesale, you're looking for products that don't have logos on them, because you want to be able to sell these any and everywhere. These don't have any Apple logos on them, and they are AAA OEM quality, which means they're high quality cables. Next thing we're going to talk about, we're going to put in 2 of these USB adapters. Now, these are again OEM. As you see, the plastic comes around. This plastic right here is durable, high quality. When you touch it, you feel the weight. This is an extremely good adapter. Now, we do know that there are distributors and suppliers out there that sell the cheap ones the ones that don't have any writing on the front, the ones where this pops right out. I've sold them at times when I first started my first phone store and had customers complaining. Ever since then, I've always knew it was important to make sure that I'm selling high quality adapters, especially since this is something people take in and out of outlets, okay? Now, the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna do these JD88 headphones. These are generic headphones, selling for $6.50, selling for anywhere between $8.50, anywhere lower than 10. Don't sell them above 10, but these, again, we're licensed to sell these. These are Langsdome's headphones. Again, this is going to be a small impulse buy. Now, the reason we put these type of products in here is not to create fluff. The reason we do it is because these products will get you easier reviews. So I'll give you an example. eBay, let's say you just created the eBay account. You want to list these low ticket items because these are going to also have low expectations from the customer. Think about it like this. If you're shipping a customer a charging cable, as long as that charging cable works, the customer's happy. When the customer's happy, now you get that rating, 5 stars, and you get it very fast. This really helps you when it comes to getting that top seller remark and that rating. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna package this iPhone 17 Pro case, okay? Now I have it open already because I want to show you guys this case is not only a durable case, but it is a MagSafe case. It's clear. So one thing we do is we always get the clear cases. Clear cases are the best sellers in our opinion. And what I see, the clear cases will always give you more bang for your buck. You can sell this anywhere between $8.50 to $10.50, even $12.50 if you get the right buyers. Now, I don't recommend price gouging on cases because cases are everywhere. And cases are very, very challenging to sell at times because there's a high competitive market for them. So you want to make sure that you're selling a case that has quality, but also a value packed offer and proposition. Now we're going to add one of these headphones. I forgot. So it's 3 of these generic headphones. Okay. Now, next thing that we're gonna do, let me make sure I have all of the headphones. We're gonna put in 3 of these iPhone 7 headphones. Now look at the packaging again. Now with iPhone 7 headphones, and these are the Lightning adapter headphones, these also connect to Bluetooth. And the reason they do that is because Apple can push out updates that prevent phones from actually using third-party applications or third-party accessories. I'm sure you brought a charger or maybe headphones from Walmart and you've seen that the charger or the headphones stopped working. Why? Well, that's because Apple can push out updates, when you update your phone, that actually prevents this from working. Well, we didn't want to have any returns or any customer issues, so we only buy the ones that connect to Bluetooth just in case the customer ever has issues, and it has written manuals inside that teaches the customer the options that they can use to connect these to their device. So not only is it a high value headphone, but it also is a headphone that is it gives a solution. It's a solution based manual inside. And again, we have the Type-C adapter headphones. These are good with the new iPhones. These are actually one of our top sellers. And as you see, right, we're only gonna put one inside the box, but it has very similar packaging. Packaging is everything, especially when you're listing online on platforms like Amazon and eBay. The next thing that we're gonna have is the MagSafe wired charger. Okay, so again, look at the packaging. Packaging is cool. It has the cling as well. And this is a high quality charger. This is something that a lot of people utilize if they're putting their phones next to their bedstands and things of that nature. All right, we're gonna put one in there and you can sell that anywhere from $7.50 to around $15, depending on your store's position. Then we're gonna put a car vent card mount. Okay, this is honestly another low prop and low selling product that you could actually get a really good review on. We sell this for $5.50, $6.50. Again, it's going to help you get those reviews. Okay, next is going to be this. All right, this is actually privacy glass. So these are screen protectors. This is tempered glass, but it's privacy. Now we have it for the models iPhone 17, the model iPhone 17 Pro, and also the model iPhone 17 Pro Max. So we're gonna put these in there, bundle these together. bundle them together, sell it for around $10.50, $9.50. The reason is because once they see the quality, which is easy to see as this comes not just with the glass, but also with all of the accessories needed to clean your screen, to make sure there's no dust on it. It gives that T-Mobile screen protector vibe, and T-Mobile sells theirs for $40. All right. So next we're gonna go with the charging stand. Now this is a popular product. This charging stand is not only gonna be able to just charge your phone, but it's a fast charger. The packaging is really good. I like it. I wish it had less writing and less graphics. But again, this is something you can sell anywhere between $15, $12, $50. I'm gonna be doing a video showing you guys exactly how I would list these type of products as well. Okay, and then next we're gonna do this. This is going to be a car charger. Now I use this in my car. I would always use this. This doesn't just have a USB connector or even just a Type-C adapter. It has both. So it's a Type-C connector and a USB, no matter who's in your car. But the most impressive thing about this is it's 48 watts. Okay, that is a very fast car charger. This you can sell anywhere between $10.50 per unit. We're gonna put 2 in the box. This is a really good sell too. All right. Now, as we continue to progress, I'm going into some more products, and these are the products that are going to consistently sell in your store. The S6 headphones, believe it or not, businesses are seeking these. These are really good sellers as well. We sell these anywhere between $8.50 a pop. These, again, high quality. These are OEM. This doesn't have any logo on it, which helps you get around any type of copyright infringement. And remember, once you buy the box from us, you also get an invoice just in case platforms like eBay or even Amazon are asking you for proof of purchase. Now, that's something that platforms like AliExpress don't really provide you. They just give you a purchase invoice, a purchase receipt. We give you a wholesale invoice. Now, another one is a 3.5 jack headphones, popular with businesses. You can sell these. These have the clings, which are the plastic bags, just in case you are a store and you want to hang it up. Again, low hanging fruit, but definitely something you can sell. $5, $5.50. These sell well too. All right. Now that's really it for our low grade products. Now we're getting into more quality. Okay. So now we're going to get in this 10,000 mAh power bank. We're going to put 2 in here. This is a really powerful power bank. And to give you an example, for an iPhone 16 Pro Max, this can charge it 4 times on one battery. That is really good, lucrative, and also something that you can use as a selling point. All right. So don't forget that you're going to want to make sure that you're putting yourself in the best position, selling not only high quality products, but products that serve a bunch of solutions for customers like yourself. Here's a MagSafe charger battery pack. Look at the packaging. Packaging is nice, but not just that. This is high quality. This is one of our top sellers. We've been selling this for 2 years. We sell this for anywhere between $15 to $17.50. I forgot to tell you guys, this charger right here, we're selling $22 to $25 each. Okay, so that's not bad. That's a really good charger. All right, now we're gonna put that in there. And then we have 2 of the Apple Watch chargers. So Apple Watch chargers, they're not cheap, to be honest. Wholesale, they're not. These are like $8 wholesale. I would sell these $14.50, $17.50. Understand that this is at high demand. If you are selling these at pop-up shops, you're gonna get more people to buy. But if you're selling it online, bundle it or sell it separately. But you can sell this for $14, $14.50, up to $17.50. I wouldn't go all the way up to $20. It wouldn't make sense. All right, so next we're gonna go to the Type-C adapters. These are going to be our 20-watt power adapters. Now, this packaging is really good, it's friendly, and it is the best packaging that we have to make sure that you are still giving that Apple approach, but it's a generic product. This is high quality, OEM, 20 watts is fast charging. Do not, if you want to have fast charging, get the 18 watt. That's not fast charging. Then we have 3 of these in the ear headphones. These look like the AirPod Gen 2s, of course. And we're gonna put 3. These alone, $60 a pop. This is where the real value comes in. And just to give you guys an example, people are paying $168 for these, okay? These in a bundle. So I'm talking about wholesale. So you're getting a deal when we put these in the box regardless, but that's not it, because we still have one more thing that we're gonna put in the box, which is going to be the mag or the AirPod Max or the over-the-air headphones. These, of course, don't have any logos on them, but these are very, very good sellers. $90, $85, even $120. But you want to make sure that when you start selling this, sell this for the $80 instead of the $120. It's not about getting the most money up front. You want to make sure that you're using this kit to test different platforms to see which platform is going to sell out of which product, so you now can order more. And I want to make my intention very clear, especially with this box, okay? The intention with the boxes aren't for us to get you $1,000. The intention is for you to start your reselling business, get up to $600 to $700, but be able to turn that $250 or that $300 into that profit or more money for you to be able to keep ordering. Because one thing about us is we use this as our first proposition to you on the quality of our products, the convenience of our products at Wesply, and also letting you know that you can buy wholesale from us and depend on us as these ship within 2 days. You have that option. All right, guys. So if you want to stop having to source and look on AliExpress, Alibaba for products, not knowing when they're going to come or if they're going to come in the right quality, this is the best, fast, lazy, free, non-effort taking way for you to be able to resell. And I use my words carefully, because I don't want lazy to seem as if I'm saying don't do anything, or boring to say, oh, well, this just doesn't take effort. It does. But when we put these products in the box, we're telling you the products that we know are selling on platforms like eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook, and also Walmart Seller Central, Amazon, as we have clientele that sell these products on all of those platforms. If you guys are looking for products, don't ever hesitate to go to wesply.com. That is my wholesale website, where I literally give resellers like you and me the platform to be able to buy products without having to worry about if they're going to have the quality, when it's going to ship, and also making sure you have that invoice in your pocket just in case any platform is asking or requesting. A lot of people don't know, but the invoice is really important, as that is something that a lot of these platforms are going to require once you start selling out. Thank you guys so much for watching. The link for the reseller kits are below. And I'll tell you this right now, all reseller kits come with pods, come with maxes, and also come with different variances of what I've shown you. Some even come with speakers depending on when you buy. But one thing I will say, every product here is going to not only make you your money back, but it's going to make you a profit. And that's what's most important. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really continue to make money work for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.